Okay, this is Carlo's remote control helicopter. If you keep the legs straight like this, it goes really high, really fast. It does 80 feet in the air. It plays laser tag with the buttons if you have a second robot to play with. 80 feet in the air is really high, but if you take the legs and you go like this to them, it hovers so you can keep control of it, and it doesn't go that fast. Here, Carlo, you want to try it? Come here, get Carlo.
Hello, this is my cousin Carlo. Carlo, say hi to all your fans. Hi.
Say hi, Facebook.
Hi, Facebook.
All right, go. Go.
What's up? Sorry.
Hold on. Do it. Press the button. Don't hit the walls. You got to learn how to control it, though, baby. All right?
Can I have a sense of control?
Hold on. Come here. Go over here, Carlo.
This is the best.
Go over here. Go over here. Go. Go. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep going. Let it go in the air. Let it go. Let it go. Stop doing it when it hits the ground because you'll break it that way, okay? Let it go up. Keep your finger on it. Don't take it off. You keep taking it. Stop. You're going to break it, Carlo.
How did that do it?
Go. Keep it up. You keep letting your finger off of the button, and that's why it's not working. Here, let Daddy do it. Let me show you.
I'm really sorry.
I'm not mad at you. I'm not mad at
I
you.
know how to do it. I'll do it.
Watch. See? Hold on. Please don't yell. Sorry, you okay?